Welcome to the Embed Agent section in ActoSync. This feature allows you to generate an AI chatbot widget for embedding into your website and integrating directly with your Shopify store. To begin, create your widget settings. Enter the widget name and widget description. Next, select the AI agent you want to connect with the widget. Customize the appearance of your chatbot by selecting the theme color, font family, and font size. Now, add your website or Shopify store URL in the Allowed Origins field. This is a mandatory security setting that allows incoming chat requests only from approved website URLs. After completing all required fields, click Save Widget. Once the widget is saved, click the extension button to view and access your extension settings and widget integration details. Now let's connect the chatbot with Shopify. Open the Shopify App Store and install the ActoSync AI Chatbot app. After installation, go to your Shopify admin panel. From the left menu, select Sales Channels. Now open the online store or the appropriate shop configuration based on your Shopify setup. Click Edit Theme. On the top left, open App Embeds. Enable ActoSync Connect. Now enter the widget details generated from your ActoSync widget code settings. Configure your AI agent name and customize the greeting message that customers will see when opening the chatbot. Save the configuration. Your ActoSync AI chatbot is now successfully embedded into your Shopify store and ready to interact with your customers in real time. With ActoSync, you can deliver intelligent AI-powered customer engagement directly on your website and e-commerce platform.